Here is the view from the Best Western. This is a Disney View balcony hotel. And as you can hear right now, there is construction going on. But this hotel will be renovated. And let's see, this is the Wyndham. And you can see the hot air balloon at Disney Springs, Cirque du Soleil. This is the Hilton Lake Buena Vista Palace. Excellent view of Epcot Ball right there, and Guardians of the Galaxy in front of it. Over here is Swan and Dolphin. And then if you come over here, out there is the Four Seasons, and then the Contemporary. And let me see, over there is the Magic Kingdom. So let me see, I'll try to zoom in. I don't have a great camera, but as you can see, there is the Contemporary. Then zooming around, let's see, there's Epcot. You can even see all the little buildings in Epcot. That's like amazing. And Swan and Dolphin in the back. And then this is the Hilton Grand Palace, like Buena Vista Palace that we stayed at. It's very nice. And then here we go, we have the downtown Disney, or Disney Springs area. Cirque du Soleil. I will forever call it downtown Disney because I've been here long enough. There is Planet Hollywood over there in the distance. So yeah, it's a really great view, and I bet the fireworks are awesome here at night. We haven't seen them yet. So we have the view. You have a balcony to enjoy the view, but as of yet, and I don't know if this will change with any renovations, sliding glass door to get inside, which is super heavy, but there's no handle to get back in. So if you open the door, you have to then close it to keep the air conditioning inside, which is what you should do. You would have to push it from this side. And then once it's pushed, you're literally out here until somebody inside deems it okay to open the door for you. There's like literally no way to get back inside if you close the door, which is kind of insane. So this is a quick video of our room. We've actually been living in it, and I forgot to take it when it was all pretty. But this is room 1212 at the Best Western. I don't believe that this room has been renovated as of yet, just based on the decor and the way things are, but it is perfectly fine. The price point is not bad, and you get reward points, you know, if you're part of Best Western Rewards. So what is much appreciated is that they do have a refrigerator, which is a big deal when you are traveling here and trying to have your own money. This is the view right now on a foggy morning. And then let me show you the bathroom real quick. And this one has adjoining doors. There is a huge safe, so you could definitely put a laptop in there, which is a lot of people's concerns. This would be the closet area. There is a separate kind of area out here where you could be getting ready, and it has the coffee bar. And then inside the bathroom, there's a lot of space, quite honestly, storage-wise. And you got standard tub. So yeah, for a value resort, if you're not planning on staying here all day long as your vacation, this is a really good investment.